Hi friends, my name is Diljit Singh. I'm a high altitude tracker, a passionate rider, and I love moto camping. And I'm going to demonstrate today the pitching of Airpena's 2 persons fresh in black tent. This is my favorite tent whenever I'm going to ride or doing the moto camping. Let's get onto the bike and start unloading all the backpacks. This is Airpena's 2 fresh and black from Quechua. This is a 2-person tent, but I recommend for the solo rider also. Why? Because on one side you can have a good night's sleep, and on the other side you can keep your backpacks, your helmet, your jacket, your guards, electronics, and all other essential items. This is Airpena's 2 fresh and black from Quechua. It has 5 main components: the inner mesh tent, the fly and the rain cover, the poles, the pegs, and the ropes. It's very easy. It's a 5-minute installation. These are the pegs and the ropes. These are the poles which will support the tent. You need a hammer to secure the pegs. I keep the axe. This serves for my protection also, and the hammer also. Let us secure the edges. Secured. You need to stretch it and secure the pole. Insert the peg at 45 degrees angle. Secured. Don't overstretch it. And insert the pegs. Now all the 4 sides have been secured. I have decided to pitch my tent in such a way the sun rises from this side and sets on this side, so that my sides are on the sun rays side, so that sun rays don't enter my entrance for the rear side, and I don't feel very hot. Now that the inner tent is secured, we need to fix the poles. It's a very easy job. You just have to insert one pole into other, and there is an elastic thread. It automatically forms into a long stick, and there it is. Easy. Very easy to insert. Take the long stick, put it again on the diagonal side, other diagonal side. Now you need to insert the pole into a screw-like thing which is provided here, and insert it here. It is here. The other side also. And you make a dome-like structure. Now it becomes a rounded shape. All the 4 sides. And now erase the poles. Now you need to pick up the hook which has been provided here and fix it here. It's very easy. Fix all the hooks around here. Very easy installation. Now our inner tent is coming into shape. So here it is. It's very light, self-standing, very nice structure. Now we need to put the rain sheet over it. There is a hook provided here. Just insert it here on all the four sides. Now our rain cover is secured. There is a ventilation. Just raise it so that the airflow can go in. We need to secure the side of the rain cover with a peg here and fix it at 45-degree angle again. Now the side is stretched. There is a vent here for air. Our tent is ready. We need to secure the tent against wind. There is a hook, red color hook provided here. I tie it up here and secure the rope with the peg. It is secured here from this side. So we have to do it from all the four sides. Okay, now we take a look at the Airpanage 2 Fresh and Black from Quechua. Let's take a look inside. This is the beautiful look of Quechua Airpanage 2 Fresh and Black. Let's get inside. Get this stuck here and then roll this over. This gets stuck here. The inner tent. Let's get inside. Look at the space. Very nice space. As I said, the tent is for 2 persons. But it's good for a single person with the luggage area there. This is my backpack, my helmet, my guards, my gloves, my jacket, my electronics. There is a mesh window over here. There is a see-through window also, and it has a 2-way opening. That is a very good advantage of this tent. It has a two-way opening. You can open from that side also and from this side also. You can put your wallet, your mobile in this pocket along with some security stuff for any emergency need. The best part of the tent is its black inner side. Once all zipped up, it has a 99.9% visibility. So during bright sunshine day also, you have a dark room for yourself. As you can see, it is a pitch dark area now. Outside it is sunshine. Let's open up the zips. You can see the result. It was pitch dark inside. Now outside it is bright sunshine. This is the benefit of pitch dark black tent. This is Airpanas 2 Fresh and Black from Quechua, my favorite for riding and camping. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.